Welcome. In this video, we solve the 10th degree polynomial equation x to the 10th equals x minus 1 to the 10th. Step 1. Since x equals 1 is not a solution, divide both sides by x minus 1 raised to the 10th power. Step 2. The 10th roots of unity are given by e to the power of 2k pi I divided by 10. Step 3. Note that k equals 0 yields no solution because x cannot equal x minus 1. Step 4. For the unique real solution, choose k equals 5, where omega 5 is negative 1. Step 5. Factoring the half angle from the general root simplifies the complex solutions into a closed cotangent form. Step 6. All 9 roots lie on the vertical line in the complex plane where the real part is 1/2. The single real solution is x equals 1/2, with all 9 complex roots sharing the real part 1/2. If you found this solution helpful, please subscribe for more math walkthroughs. Thank you for watching.